Welcome back to the garden, everybody. Today I wanted to show you how I build these raised beds for my pepper plants. Every year I plant 4 to 5 different pepper plants in these raised beds, and I built them very inexpensive, and I just wanted to share that method with you. As you can see, it only takes 5 total boards. Here is a new one I'm just constructing now. I bought these boards from Lowe's. They're just the fence posts. Then you just tie them together with some scrap wood like you see there. And it only takes 5 total boards. As you can see, 4 of them are just, you do nothing. You don't even have to cut them, but the 2 ones on the end, I actually cut, and it makes a 6-foot by 18-inch area to plant your plants, which is perfect for plants such as pepper plants or tomatoes. This is a perfect size for any of those types of plants. And as you can see, I layered the bottom with cardboard, which is a good idea. You put that down before you put the dirt in. And as you can see how it sticks out a little underneath the wood? That prevents all the little weeds from growing up on the corners there. So in the end, you just fill it up with dirt. And I like to fill it about this high because as you can see in the back, I layer the top with some kind of a mulch, and that protects it and keeps the soil in. So it's that easy, guys. Go grab yourself 5 boards, slap them together like this, put some dirt in it, and you got some raised beds.